everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is B, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Before you leave, you need to make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into it. Today is an unboxing. I just became an affiliate with the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer. It uses reverse engineering to straighten and blow dry your hair. I just got the package. As you can see, I have not opened it, so you're going to see it for the first time with me. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Alright, so first up we have the heat producing wand. We have the temperature controls here, the wand mouth, this is the heating chamber, of course the hose, and this is the base that will plug into the base of the unit. Then we have the filter. The filter will go directly into the base of the RevAir, and it fits nice and snug on the side, snaps right in. The hose that you're going to put into the base, there's a little tooth right here that just slides right into the bottom, and once you get it in, you twist the knob to tighten. Now your hose is secured. On the base of the unit, the main things to notice is the power button up here on top. This cord, the power cord, which you can unwrap, and it wraps back up nice and tight, and the reverse airspeed dial, so they go from 0 to 7, and this is how you will adjust your tension for your hair and how straight you would like the blow dry to be. Now that we have the unit assembled, you also have the wand holder. So basically with the wand holder, you're able to take the heat chamber and rest it off and put it on your salon station or wherever you do your counter or wherever you do your blow dries. Included in the accessory kit is the wand holder as well as a misting bottle, a water bottle, some alligator clips, a holding bag that you can put your accessories in, as well as a microfiber towel. And as our curly girls know, these are essential. And lastly, we have 3 products: a shine spray as well as 2 hair primers. One is for wave goodbye, so this is for type 1 and 2 hair, and this one's called play it straight, which is for type 3 and 4 hair. And of course, RevAir also sent this nice bag so that we can carry all these goodies in it. And I like it because this bag is really deep. I don't know if y'all can see that. It also comes with a nice little styrofoam insert for your bag to keep your base nice and secure inside the bag. So that is everything that I got in the box. This entire kit, which includes the device and all the accessories, is valued at $429. So I will be back to give y'all a video of me actually using the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer. So make sure y'all stay on the lookout for that video. But before you go, I have a lot more videos for you to check out. Just click on one of these links right here, and I will see y'all next time. Peace!